Based on the more than 20 years of development experience of the company's technical team, GLZON is actively participating in and promoting the fourth industrial revolution in all walks of life in my country, and writing the future of digital industrial automation in the industry. With the rapid development of Industry 4.0 around the world, GLZON Group is willing to work with you to develop and create win-win situations. We integrate knowledge, constantly break through ourselves, and innovate to help China Manufacturing 2025 develop. Our liquid filling machines guarantee the maximum productivity of the processes, prioritizing the safety of employees and offering post-sales technical support with great added value. Through the years, we have introduced the innovative smart filling concept. This concept, which incorporates the latest technologies available, allows for achieving high levels of productivity with great accuracy and precision. This function allows us to adapt to different types of products: chemical, petrochemical, agrochemical, food, containers, and environments. We are specialized in creating liquid filling systems for containers from 1 to 1,500 liters.